Hello everyone. In this video we have to evaluate the integral by dividing integral by using the Simpsons 1/3 rule, Simpsons 3/8 rule and Peddle's rule. So here we taken a very simple problem with the intention, that means we have to compare with the theoretical answer as the given function uh, and is easily integrable. So for the this given integral we can integrate directly, that is 0 to 6 3x square into dx. That can be written as, it will be 3 into x cube by 3 from the limit 0 to 6, which can 3 get cancelled, and we can apply the limit upper limit minus lower limit, which can be written as 262. So this can be, we can solve by theoretically. Now we can, let us work with the problem by numerical method and by applying the various rules, that is Simpsons 1/3 rule, 3/8 rule and also Wedel's rule, without involvement with the actual integration. Now we can divide the interval, that is 0, the closed interval 0 6 into 6 parts. We can divide this interval into 6 parts. Okay, that is n is equal to 6. Now we have to find the length of each part, that is h b by a divided by n. So this is the value of a and this is the value of b. The closed interval a comma b can be written as 0 and 6. So here 6 minus 0 divided by 6, it will be 6 by 6, it is equal to 1. Now we can find the points of division, that is for points of division, points of division, that is x equals to, we have to finding the value for v. If we have to, x first is 0, we can add the values of h, that is x naught plus h, this is the 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5 and 5 plus 1 6. So we can stop the process the value. Here we can, in the value of b is equal to 6, we can here also with the value of the x6. So the intervals from 0 to 6 we can find the values of x here. Now we can find the corresponding value of the y for using the given function. Now we have to set of values. We find the set of values for x and y, that is in, we have shown in the table now. Okay, x and y, x value 0, y value 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6. So y is equal to, what is the function here? Y is equal to 3x square. Substitute the value of x. What is the value of y? It will be 0. Okay, for 1, for x equals to 1, what is y value? 3. For x equals to 2, the value of y will be 12 and 3, it will be 27. For 4, it will be 48. For 5, it will be 75 and 6, it will be 108. Now we have to mention the values of in the table, that is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and it will be y6. Now we have to write the formula for the Simpsons 1/3 rule. Okay, first one, Simpsons 1/3 rule. First one, Simpsons 1/3 rule. First one. Okay. Now we write the general formula for the Simpsons 1/3 rule. H by 3, that is y0 plus yn plus 4 times of y1 plus y3 plus y5, so on, yn minus 1, then plus 2 times of y2 plus y4 and so on, plus yn minus 2. Close the bracket. Now we are using now n is equal to 6 here, h is equal to 1, and a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 6. Okay, now we have to substitute the values. Means we can write the integral from 0 to 6 3x square into dx, which is can be written as h is 1 by 3. We can start y naught. What is yn here? N is equal to 6. What is n is equal to 6 here? So write y6 plus 4 times of, we are writing the here is y1. We have the values y3 also, y5. Don't write here by next continuation y7. Okay, so we don't have the values of y7, so we have to stop here. Plus 2 times of y2 we have the value, and y4 and y6 already we have to sub at the end value is y6, so don't write the y6. We have only two values, y2 and y4. Close the bracket. Then we have to substitute all these values by using the table. Okay, that is 1 by 3 of what is y0? 0 plus y6 is 108 plus 4 times of y1 is 3 plus y2 is y3 is 27 plus y5 75 plus 2 times of y2 is 12 plus y4 is 48. Okay, so we have to simplify this value. Then we get the value to 16. We have to simplify. We get the value to 16. Okay, this is for Simpsons 1/3 rule. Next, come to Simpsons 3/8 rule. Simpsons 3/8 rule. We have to write the general formula for this one. I is equal to, that is integration from a to b y into dx, which can be written as 3h by 8. Okay, that is, again we have to write the same values. y0 plus yn plus 3 times of y1 plus y2 plus y4 and so on plus yn minus 1 plus here 2 times of multiple of 3 by 3 by 6 and so on yn minus 3. Okay, now what is integration? That is I is equal to 3h is 1, so h is 1 divided by 8. Next, y0. What is y0 here? 0 plus yn. We have to write the y6. It will be y0 plus y6 plus 3 times of, we have the y is y1, y2 and y4, and this also y5. Close the bracket. Plus now 2 times of, we have the y3, and don't write the y6. We already used the y6. That means we are using the only y values only one time. So 2 times of y3. Now substituting all these values of y1 to y6, then we get here 216. So this is for Simpsons 1/3 rule. We have to substitute all these values and we get the values 216. Okay, next, the last one, the same function we can solve by Wedel's rules also. So last one, Wedel's rule. Okay, so Wedel's rule is I is equal to x0 plus 6 into h, that is y into dx. So here 3h by 10 of y0 plus 5 into y1 plus y2 plus 6 into y3 plus y4 plus 5 into y5 plus y6. So again we have to substituting y0 to y6. We have to substitute all the values in the table. Okay, so then just you have to see in the table, that is we have to substitute all the values. So substituting all this y0 to y6 in the Weddell's rule, we have substituting the Weddell's rule, again we get the value 216. So same function, that is 3x square into dx, the integral of 3x square into dx can be solved in three methods, that is Simpsons one-third rule, Simpsons 3/5 rule and Weddell's rule. So it will be equal to the theoretical value. So theoretical value and the numerical value are the same. We get the same answer for that. So thank you.